Welcome to New York-Presbyterian's Hudson Valley Hospital Organic Garden, where healing begins in the soil. The garden is located on the hospital campus and was developed in partnership with the Cancer Center over a decade ago to provide healing and nourishment for patients. The produce is donated to our local pantry and is also leveraged for the programs run by the nearby teaching kitchen, where culinary education is provided to the community, employees, and patients. Soup is made on a weekly basis for patients in New York-Presbyterian's infusion unit, leveraging freshly harvested produce from the garden. This program provides a nourishing meal to comfort patients during treatment. The produce is also used in monthly cooking classes, providing an edible education to the local community from garden to plate. And it's also used for demos in the hospital cafe, employee team building classes, and culinary education for the hospital employees, all with the goal of providing the most nutrient-dense food for everyone. The garden and teaching kitchen are unique to New York-Presbyterian, offering a way to help people learn about where their food comes from, how to prepare the food, how to shop, and more. The garden is managed by our gardener and a team of dedicated volunteers, all working towards the same mission of helping people thrive with food. We begin planning out our seeds for planting in January, and then start winter sowing in over 70 milk jugs for hardier produce. Transplant in April and plant and harvest throughout the year, generating hundreds of pounds of produce per year. The garden requires a lot of hard work on a daily basis, from the planting phase to planting seeds to the daily upkeep of weeding, pruning, watering, pest control, harvesting, rinsing the produce, and even composting. The freshly picked produce is then brought from the garden into the kitchen for washing, preparing, and storing to get it ready for our upcoming recipes or donations. Patients are encouraged to come check out the garden, try the soups, come to a cooking class, and get on a path towards a healthier and more delicious lifestyle.